In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Sonnet 4 to chat with your PDF very easily. So you can come to your Cloud.ai, just log in. You can create a new chat from here. And once you're here, you can import the PDF document that you want to chat with. You can just click, you can take a screenshot of some places, or you can upload the file directly. So let's say I'm going to upload my file. Let's say this is a journal, and I can just import it. While it is uploading, I can give my command here, the question here. Can you summarize the content of the method used in this paper? So you can just go ahead and enter. And let's see how fast this is going to analyze our data for us. And you can see the result, the research approach, the key method component, criteria development, technique selection and assessment, evaluation process, validation through practice, key findings from the document. This is really wonderful, and you can at least copy this and paste it somewhere and continue with your content creation. Let's ask more follow-up question. Can you explain figure 2 in the paper? Research in the web, looking at the document, and figure 2 caption that I found in the research, I can explain it. Figure 2 based on the information provided in the original document. Figure 2 explanation. Figure 2 conventional modeling process, limited stakeholder involvement, linear expert dominated process. You can see key message from the figure. You can see the total explanation. So this is really next level. If you have a PDF document, no matter how many, you can bring them in and you can have a compressed or direct conversation with it, asking direct questions related to specific things in the paper. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.